Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening. As I said before, there will be a video on trade and cash discounts, which is our next subtopic. Okay, as you can see, right on the introduction slide here, on the first slide, there will be in total 4 things that are going to be discussed. Okay. The first one is just the introduction of what is really going to be covered in this subtopic, and then we're going to talk about these 2 kind of discount. Alright, these 2 kind of discount. One is known as trade discount, the other one is known as cash discount, and then the last one will be trade and cash discount together. Okay, what is it? We are going to discuss it later. I expect to do, maybe I'll try to split the video into 2 videos. Right, the first one we'll discuss on the trade discount, and the next one we'll be discussing on the cash discount and trade and cash discount. Okay, so basically maybe 2 videos. Okay, so this is the first video. Let's start by looking at the introduction. Alright, when we want to talk about the trade discount, the cash discount, among the things that you need to be clear of is actually the supply chain system, right? Meaning how actually we as a last consumer get the product, right? Start from the supplier, and then we'll go to the simple supply chain system. Is like you have a supplier at the top, and then you have the manufacturer, and then the wholesaler in the middle, and then you have a retailer, and after that you. So usually we last consumer, we're going to buy things at retailer, right? And for retailer, usually they are going to the wholesaler or the manufacturer to get things in bundle, right? So those are known as a supply chain system. Okay, and as you can see here, okay, consumer buy goods from retailer, which is us, buying goods from retailers, who in turn purchase goods from wholesaler, manufacturers, and or other retailers, right? But in a rare case, or maybe not so rare for nowadays, consumer also have access to buy goods from wholesalers, manufacturers, which means that us also have access to buy things from wholesaler, not through retailer, right? So for the wholesaler and the manufacturer, right, they issue a catalog. They always have a catalog, right, describing the product that they sell. Okay, and together within the catalogs, they have the product with the price at the side of the products, and that price is known as the list price. Okay, it is known as a list price, not just a price like at the retail store. No, it is actually known as a list price, right? The price listed in the catalog price is known as the list price. Okay, that is on the introduction. You need to know that for basically the list price, you need to know what is the list price is, which is there is a price shown in the catalog, right, by a wholesaler or manufacturer. And for us, the last consumer that always go to the retailer, we also see a price on a product that we are going to buy, but that is actually known as a price, just a price. There is no list price. Okay, list price is just if you see, if you go buy from a wholesaler, manufacturer, and actually they have a catalog, or if you have experience on it, you will actually realize it. Have a catalog, and you're able to look at it, they also, and have a price on the side of it, and that those prices are known as list price. Okay, and whatever discount given by the wholesaler, manufacturer is known as a trade discount. Because why? For the trade discount to happen, actually it need a bundle purchase, right? Usually it need a bundle purchase where you buy in bulk, in bulk, right? Several boxes. So when you buy in bulk, right, what happened there? The wholesaler will give you a discount, and those discount known as a trade discount. Okay, so basically trade discount happen during a purchase is made, right? While we are purchasing the things, right? Depending on the number of items that we bought, right? We will get a trade discount. Right? So the formula is trade discount. To know what is a trade discount value, the list price, which is the price in the catalog, minus with the price that we get. So when you do this operation, you will get what is the trade discount value. Okay, so okay, we have a little bit of star here. Net price is actually a price paid by retailer or consumer to the wholesaler after getting the reduction, right? So just what I said. Now, in the trade discount, there are these three things that we need to be clear of. The first one is trade discount rate, and then we have a net price, and after that, chain discount. All right. So usually, for the wholesaler or manufacturer, they don't really come to us and tell us, okay, you will get because of you buy this item this many, you actually entitled for this ringgit, how many ringgit less. No, they're not actually going to tell us in the form of amount. Usually, they are going to actually give us a rate, okay, which is the discount rate, trade discount rate. So which means in a percentage. So okay, because of you are buying this many, you will get 30% trade discount. You are getting 30% discount. They are not saying trade discount. This is just in academic. They still usually say discount, but it is actually a trade discount. So let's look at the trade discount rate. Okay, rather than price, wholesaler manufacturer normally quotes a discount in rate, in the form of rate. So how to get the trade discount rate? So list price, which is the price in the catalog, times with the discount rate. Sorry, not getting a discount rate, which is how to get the discount amount that you get. So list price times with the trade discount rate, you will get what is actually the reduction amount that you get. That is actually the discount rate. And next, let's look at the net price formula. Again, net price is actually the price after reduction that you get. Alright? That you get, not the wholesaler. Okay, the net. So basically the formula is NP equal to L times 1 minus R. Okay, NP is actually net price. L is stand for list price, and R is the trade discount rate. So by using this formula, you will get what is actually the net price that you need to pay to the wholesaler. Okay, and then we have chain discount. This is a little bit long, but it is actually important. Okay, chain discount, just as its name, the discount is actually in a form of chain. Okay, this is how it happened. Okay, if you can see here, okay, prices of goods, the item that you want, may go up or down due to supply and demand situations. So sometimes the value, the price is high, sometimes the list price is low. So because of that, right, it will actually give you a multiple discount offered by manufacturer depending on situation. Maybe you actually want to buy things in another 2 months, right? You actually book that things from the wholesaler, but then in that 2 months, many things happen. Price go up and down and sort of. So resulting in multiple discount offered by wholesaler manufacturers. It happened. Okay. For instance, a trade discount of 10%, 5%, and 2% might be offered. Basically, we have now 3 discount offered. The discount was offered 3 times in one item, actually in one transaction. So this is called a chain discount. Okay, so this multiple discount is known as a chain discount or series discount. Usually we use chain discount. And then in chain discount rate is calculated on the successive net amount. So this actually describes how you calculate chain discount. So we are going to times the list price with 10%, get the net price out of it, and then that net price will times this 5%, subtract to get another net price, and then finally use that net price of after subtracting with 5% and times it to 2%. We'll see the example later, but then that is how it is calculated, right? On the successive net amount. Okay, so next in the topic, the subtopic of chain discount, right? We have actually, if you want to calculate it using a successive net amount manually, it might somehow later be confusing. So luckily we have a chain discount formula. So it doesn't matter how many discount that you get, how long is the chain, as long as you use the formula, you will get the net price. Okay, so previously the formula of net price is up until this, right? L1 minus R. So because of we only back then we only have one rate, but now if let's say you have several rates, right, just simply add it behind or multiply it. So 1 minus the second rate, 1 minus the third rate, and 1 minus the n rate. Alright, so times it all to get the net price out of the list price. Okay, so next, single discount equivalence. Right, this is described on actually, just like back then, right? Let's go back a little bit. You'll see you have this 3 discount. Okay, what is actually the value of that discount in a single discount? So now it is, you have 3 discounts, right? In a single value, what will be the discount? That is what it means by single discount equivalent. You cannot just sum, right? We got different things. You also cannot sum and find the average of that discount, right? It cannot be like that. So this is actually the formula to find the single discount equivalent, which is 1 minus this, 1 minus R rate first rate, 1 minus second rate, times 1 minus the third rate, and 1 minus n rate. So you times all of this, 1 minus that multiplication will give you the single discount. So basically, when you have the single discount, you don't need to use this formula anymore to calculate the discount. You can just use the NP formula, NPL1 minus R formula to calculate for the discount. Okay, so it will be a lot more simpler. Okay, so till then, we'll see after this on cash discount. Thank you.